Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Gemini and signing in with your Google account so your preferences and history sync. Once done, enable Gemini in Labs or Account Settings. This unlocks model choices. You should pick a model that matches your task: Gemini Nano for speed, Gemini Pro for deep context, because the choice affects latency and token limits. Make sure to set language and safety filters and copy API keys when using developer mode. This prepares you to send requests securely and predictably. You now build prompts that get reliable results by combining a clear system prompt with a concise user prompt. This sets role, tone, and constraints. Next, structure complex tasks into context, instruction, examples, and output format so Gemini can follow your logic. Also, manage token usage. Summarize long histories, feed data in chunks, and specify response length to avoid cutoffs. While iterating, test variations and temperature settings to balance creativity versus precision. This is how you refine outputs for production use. You finish by validating Gemini's outputs, fact-check content, run edge case tests, and confirm the exact formatting required for downstream systems. Once satisfied, deploy via the API or export results. Then monitor usage, latency, and cost metrics so you can scale responsibly. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Clear cache, reduce prompt size, or reissue the API key and lower temperature. If errors persist, switch to a different model or incrementally. Simplify the prompt to isolate the issue and restore consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.